Hey guys, I'm Kristen from A Mindful Mom, and I love sharing with you easy recipes your family will love, and I love my Instant Pot. And today I'm sharing with you a super simple 5-ingredient recipe that spells comfort. I grew up in Northeast Ohio, and in that area, it had a lot of Polish influence. And so there was a lot of smoked sausage, kielbasi, and potato recipes. My grandpa used to make a dish with kielbasi, potatoes, and green beans that he would simmer on the stove for hours. It seemed boring, it seemed basic, but oh my goodness, the flavor was incredible. The kielbasi was rich and flavorful and a little bit spicy. The potatoes were creamy and soft, and the green beans just added a little bit of fresh flavor. I'm gonna make that same classic recipe in the Instant Pot, and it's going to be ready in no time. This is so incredibly simple, and you're not even gonna believe how flavorful it is. In fact, I served it to my husband, and he said that he would probably choose this dish over a steak. And you guys, my husband loves his steak. That's saying something. It's simple comfort food. All right, to make this recipe, we need to start with our kielbasi. I'm gonna brown up my kielbasi because I like the crisp edges that it gets. By all means, you can skip that step and save yourself some time. Now, I'm using organic, nitrate-free, MSG-free, all beef, smoked sausage, otherwise known as kielbasi. You can use any kind that you like. You can use pork, you can use turkey, you can use chicken. It doesn't really matter. Just use what your family likes. I'm using a really high quality kielbasi because that's important in my house. Just use what you like. Hit saute on your Instant Pot. Let that heat up for just a minute, and then we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of oil. You only need a teaspoon of oil because kielbasi or smoked sausage has quite a bit of fat, so it'll render off and be able to not have to add so much oil to our inner pot. We're gonna add our pound of kielbasi that's been sliced into 1-inch slices and a 1/4 cup of minced onion. We're gonna saute that up so that the kielbasi gets crispy and golden brown on the outer edges. Once your kielbasi has been browned, hit cancel on your Instant Pot. We're gonna add in 1 cup of chicken stock for a 6-quart Instant Pot and 1.5 cups of chicken stock for an 8-quart Instant Pot, and scrape up any brown bits on the bottom of your inner pot. Now we're gonna add in 2 pounds of potatoes. You can use gold potatoes, red potatoes, russet potatoes, no need to peel them, give them a good scrub, and dice them into 1.5-inch cubes. This will let your potatoes cook through in the time that this recipe takes to cook. Next, I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. The Cajun seasoning works really well with the kielbasi or the smoked sausage to flavor this dish and to flavor the potatoes. If you don't like Cajun seasoning, you can use seasoned salt. I'll link below to my recipe for homemade Cajun seasoning and homemade seasoned salt, so you can skip the preservatives but still keep all the flavor. Next, add in our canned green beans. I'm using 1 large 32-ounce can of green beans that have been drained. You can use 2 15-ounce cans of green beans that have been drained. You can even add 3 cans if you really like green beans. You may be thinking, why canned green beans? A couple reasons. First, fresh green beans are best sauteed or steamed lightly, not cooked with potatoes and sausage for a long period of time. Canned green beans will hold up a little bit better, and they're easier. There's no trimming of the beans, washing of the beans, or cutting the beans. You just open a can, drain off the liquid, and dump it in the inner pot. And this recipe is all about ease, so we're using canned. Now we're gonna put our lid on our Instant Pot. Make sure the vent knob is pointed towards sealed, not venting, and we're gonna set cook time for just 2 minutes. Now, if you like your potatoes a lot firmer, you're gonna only cook for 1 minute. I want my potatoes to start to break down on the outside and get super creamy, but stay together on the inside. So for me, that is achieved perfectly with 2 minutes of cook time. To set cook time, hit manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust until it reads 2. Let your Instant Pot come to pressure and then cook time will begin. Once cook time has elapsed, let pressure release naturally for at least 5 minutes before doing a quick release of pressure. Once cook time has elapsed and pressure has been released, open your inner pot. Give it a good stir. Oh, the potatoes, you see how the outsides are starting to break down, but they really still hold their shape. You guys, this is so simple. You're not gonna believe how flavorful it is. It reminds me of my childhood, and it's great for those busy nights. I'm gonna dig in, and then I'm gonna go win Wife of the Year here and serve this up to my husband. I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, and then be sure to stay tuned for more Instant Pot favorites. I'll catch you in the next video.